Hello and welcome, I am Peter from Toria's Enterprise. In today's video my colleague, Mary is going to be showing us how to create whiteboard animations. Before we proceed, kindly hit the subscription button of this channel and turn on notifications if you haven't. Now let's get started.
Hello there and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's Mary from Toria's Enterprise here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create whiteboard animation. Whiteboard adverts. Just whiteboard animation. Yes, with just your smartphone. And for this we are going to be using the app called Text Binimi. The app we are going to be using to create the whiteboard animation is called Text Binimi, THCHX, then BENIME. I don't know how you might pronounce it, but this is how I'm able to pronounce it, Text Binimi. Alright, so this app is on Play Store, but you need to upgrade to the Pro version before you'll be able to use it and save it to your smartphone. But if you watch this video to the end, somewhere in between the video I'm going to pop up a link for you that you can write down, and you are going to be able to download the Pro version of this app for free. Alright, let's get started. So once you've opened your app, once you've downloaded the app and you have it on your phone already, you open it, it's going to bring you to this place exactly. These are some already made stories that you can just edit, but no, we are going to be starting from scratch. So all you have to do is, first thing, you need to click on this plus sign here, then you name your movie. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I created a simple skin consults video for a friend's brand. See, the light skin care. Okay, here you can choose the canvas size, but it's best you use YouTube size so that it can fit to any screen, but you can change it to Instagram, TikTok, Vimeo or Facebook or whatever. So we are going to be using YouTube 1080p. Then you click on create movie. Alright, the next thing is going to bring you to this blank page. Here you can see sticker, next is the text, the next thing is BG, then hands, then music, then this plus sign here. So this is the tools we are going to be using. This sticker here will give you different things you might need. You can add image from your gallery, drawings, already made drawings that are there. Let's say you want to create a whiteboard animation for a delivery agency. Now these are vehicle pictures that you can use. All right, these are people's picture, a happy person, sad, question, and so on and so forth. This is the school here, ink, paper, bag, and anything else you might need. Buildings, you can just see it. Electronics, the phone is here, the television, the kitchen, spoon, knife, and so on. Furniture, shapes, then the Lottie arts. Next is the weather, social media, character, and all that. You can see the social media, then character that you can use for your designs. Alright, in the text here is just where you can add text to it. Next is the background. You can change the color of the background. If you don't want it to be white, can you see, just change it to blue now. You can change it to pink, you can change it to yellow, or any color that is there, but it's best at white. It's best for the background to be white. So let's go back to our white. Then this is the and, where you can choose any and you want. Next, music, where you can add music from your gallery or you can add voice over. Alright, so let's go straight to the point now. Let's create a little 3 scenes skincare consulting video for Delight Skincare brand. So I just drafted a little script now that we are going to be using, and I will start with it now. Let's go. The first thing we do is add a sticker. Then add people with question mark. Okay, let's use the person with question mark. Alright, so you can add pause. If you add pause, that means you want it to pause 1 second after the hand has drawn this person. So you can increase the pause. You can also increase the duration or reduce the duration that you want the hand to draw it. You can also delay it. Alright, so for this now, I don't want it to pause after drawing it. And the duration of drawing it, I want it to just be 2 seconds. And I don't want any delay. So here we are. Next thing is to increase the size of this person. Next is to move it to the side. You can use any image you want, depend on the type of advert you are creating. So mark it here. Unless I forget also, it is how you want it to appear one by one that you are going to insert it. If you want text to appear first before drawing, you need to type in your text first before adding the sticker. But if you want the drawing to appear first before adding text, then you put the drawing first before adding your text. So what we just did now, the drawing will come first before the text. Now let's continue. Alright. Are you battling with pimples? Sorry. Insert. So the next thing we are just going to move it. You use your hand to move it to the side. The duration also is the same way. You are going to reduce the duration or increase it. Add pause. Here we are going to add pause now because we want it to pause for like a second or a minute. For a second, sorry. So we add 1 second. The duration, let it be 1 second also. Then we'll set it well. Sorry. Can just use your hand to adjust the text so that it won't be too big or too small. That's what I'm trying to adjust now. Okay, let's just leave it like this and align it. Okay, so after aligning it, sorry, here is where I aligned it. Yeah. So after aligning it, you mark it. Our first text is there. Sorry, let's edit it and put question mark. Alright, so we are going to add the next text now. We click on text again and add the next thing we want to add. Do you want your skin to glow? I just quickly drafted this in under 2 minutes right now so that I can have something to write. If you want to create advert, make sure you've written down your scripts. Make sure you've written down everything you want to be in the video before you start creating the advert to avoid confusion. All right. So the duration, let's leave it as 2 seconds. Nope, 1 second. Let's add 1 second pause also. Then use your hand to set it. Do you want your skin to glow? Highlight it. Alright, we'll mark it. We add anything you want to add next again. Alright, so we'll add the next thing you might want to add again. That's just how it goes on. You just have to add whatever you want to add again. Do you have do you have skin bone? You have skin bone or rashes? Then we'll bring it down. Adjust the time also. Alright, we'll mark it. Next thing we are going to do now is, and don't forget to always change any and you want. Can choose this. Nope, I think I'll prefer this. Okay, so we have choosing the and. Now the next thing is to go to the next scene. Click on the plus sign, add whatever you want to add. Next, let's add a sticker. So I've just added a sticker now. No pause, duration 0 seconds. I don't want it to show how it's drawing it, so I added no seconds. Then next, I click on text. Worry no more. Worry no more. Now bring it here. Reduce the size a little. The duration 1 second. No delay. We add the next scene. The light. No, let's add a sticker first. Here we can just decide to add a human. Let's add people. And let's not use that. Let's add people. That is character. Oops. Nope. Sorry, we are going back to add people. Okay, duration, no pause. Then we add text. The light skincare is air for you. Then we increase the size a little. we align it. So it depends on what you want to be in a particular scene. Let's say it is enough here now. Then we add one more scene. I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. We'll come to sticker. It's not a must you add sticker to all the videos, but just to make it, let's add this lady. Let's increase it a little. Alright, let's add text. Send us a message now on WhatsApp with your skin problem. Insert. We align it. Let's increase it a little. Okay, let's bring it here. Duration 2 seconds. Pause 1. Let's change this to the normal thing. Send us a message now on WhatsApp with your skin problem. Then we add one more text and we'll find a solution for you. You can add their phone number here. I don't think I have a phone number here, so I'm just going to add a random number. Alright. So let's add one more text and we'll find a solution for you. I guess this is enough. So let's just bring it down a little. Sorry. And we will find a solution for you. I know my script is not crafted well, but it's just something I rushly did. So make sure your script is done carefully already before you try creating any adverts for anyone, even if it's for your brand. So we'll mark it. Here we have just created a 3-scene advert. Let's play it and see what we just did. So you can decide to give it space so that the video will be slow. Can you see what we just did? You can decide to give it space. That is the seconds that we adjusted. You can decide to give it seconds so that the video will be more slow, so that you'll be able to add voice over. Then you can as well as add music to it from your gallery. And then after you are done, I prefer, after doing it here, I prefer adding voiceover from InShots and music from InShots. What I'll just do after here now, okay, so after doing it like this, all you have to do is just save. Click on this save button here. Do you want to save movie projects? Yes, and it's going to save as project on this app. It has not exported. If you want to export it, come to this share button here. So you click on it, name your movie, adverts for the lights. Then you click on make movie. And automatically it's going to make your movie for you and save it to your gallery. So that's just a simple way on how to create whiteboard animation adverts, whiteboard animation. See you in the next video.